Hello guys, welcome to our today's tutorial. We want to teach you how you can float images in your text like this. So let's not waste time, let's dive into the tutorial. First, let's create a new page. Press page down on your keyboard, enter. Then let's find any text. For instance, let me use, we'll copy from here, close. Let's copy this text like this. Then from here we'll create our text box. Let's paste in, let's paste and maintain, or let's discard details. Enter again, we'll paste again, discard again. Okay, then let's continue to make it more bulky. So from here right now you can press Ctrl J, select or press Ctrl J to justify. Then let's increase the font to 14, drag down, readjust. So right now we'll go and pick our image that I want to use. It's one of my images. We'll pick one. Let's pick this particular image. Let's copy and bring it in. Let's copy, we'll paste. This is the image we'll use. So from here we want to float this image, let's say from this point, or let's try all both end. Come here, select the image, come to take it closer, select it. Then from here, that is wrap text. So when you select, it shows you different varying ways in which you can wrap this text. That is from the middle, from the side. This is the middle section, the shadow section. Then text from right, and shadow above, like that. So let's try from this corner. Let's select. As we are driving in, you see the text positioning itself. Okay, let's leave that. Let's copy and paste down here by duplicating. Let's wait for it a bit. So now we'll select this and let's change its position. We want it in the middle. Select on it. So let's drag it in the middle of the text. As you can see how it is neatly drawn in the middle. So for instance, you want to change this to the top right, top left, sorry. From here, select it, then select from the left. Then you see how beautiful it aligns by the left. So, and if you love this tutorial, thank you, and subscribe for more. And if you have any questions, you can at least drop it in the comment section and we can attend to it. Thank you, and we'll see you in our next tutorial.